Hello there. In this video, we are going to solve two-step equations. So I have here the steps in solving equations in one variable, and you will use all the steps when you are doing any type of equations in one variable. Some of the steps here you don't have to use depending on what equation you have. So let's go through the list here. Let's see. So first you want to make sure that each side of the equation is simplified, means no parentheses. Well, we have no parentheses here. Combined like terms, well, on the left side, they are unlike terms, so don't have to do that. And then variables on both sides. Well, we don't have variables on both sides. We only have it here on one side, so that's good. Next, you're going to isolate now your variable. So your variable x is on the left side. You want x to be by itself, right? Right now, you have 9 and you have 3 to get rid of. So first, you have to get rid of that 9. You will undo first that addition. So to cancel 9, you have to undo addition, in which case you will subtract 9 from both sides. So 9 minus 9, that's 0, cancels. And then on the left side, you only have 3x. On the right side, 36 minus 9, that is 27. And now you have 3x equals 27. You want x to be by itself. You have to get rid of 3. So you will do inverse operation. 3x, that is 3 times x. So you will undo multiplication by dividing both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3, that's 1. So you only have x on the left side, and on the right side, 27 divided by 3, that is 9. So x equals 9. Okay, I'm gonna do the check just for this problem number 1. Check. To check, we plug in the value of x into our original equation. So 3 times x is 9. Then plus 9, does that equal 36? 3 times 9 is 27, plus 9, does that equal 36? 27 plus 9 is 36, and that's true. 36 equals 36, so that means, yeah, our answer here is correct. Okay, so all these problems here requires 2 steps. So let's move on. Problem number 2. So negative 5x minus 15 equals negative 45. Your variable is on the left side. Right now, you have to get rid of this minus 15. That's the same as plus negative 15. So you have to get rid of negative 15 and negative 5. So you always undo the addition or subtraction first. So this is subtraction. To undo that, you will add 15 to both sides. So on the left side, you only have negative 5x, and then negative 45 plus 15. So you owe $45, you paid back 15, so you still owe $30. Now, this is negative 5 times x equals negative 30. You want to get rid of negative 5, so you will undo multiplication by dividing both sides by negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1. So you only have x on the left side. So here you're dividing two negatives. Negative divided by a negative is positive. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So x equals 6. All right. Moving on. Problem 3. Again here, if you take a look, your variable is on the left side. You want y to be by itself. You have to get rid of 8. You have to get rid of 6. So you always undo this addition first. So you want the 8 to cancel out, so you'll take away 8 from both sides. So 8 minus 8, that's gone. You only have y over 6 equals 13 minus 8 is, what's 13 minus 8? 3, so that is 5. Now you have to solve for y. You have to get rid of 6. What's the operation between y and 6? Remember, y over 6, that's the same as y divided by 6. So to undo division, you will divide both sides by 6. So on the left side, 6 divided by 6, that's just 1. And then you still have y. And then 5 times 6 is 30. So y equals 30. Okay, the next one. Again, your variable is on the left side. You have to get rid of 3. You have to get rid of negative 6. Remember, minus, that's the same as plus, negative. So the sign of 6 is actually negative. So you want to get rid of that. How will this cancel out? Well, if you're subtracting 6, to undo, you will add 6 to both sides. So negative 6 plus 6, no more. You only have y over 3. And then 9 plus 6 is 15. Again, this is y over 3, which is the same as y divided by 3. So you will multiply both sides by 3. So you will undo the division. So 3 divided by 3, that's just 1. On the left side, you have y. On the right side, you have 15 times 3, which is 45. So y equals 45. That's right. Okay, last question. So this is similar to problem 4. It's just different variable and sum of the numbers. So same thing. Take a look. Where's your variable? My variable is on the left side. I have to get rid of negative 9 and 3. Always undo subtraction first. So add 9 to both sides. So negative 9 plus 9, that's gone. And then you still have d over 3. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. Oh no, why did I put 3 here? It's supposed to be plus 9. Let's correct that right here. So this is supposed to be plus 9, not 3. Because I added 9 here, I have to do the same thing. So that's 9. So this is not 7. 4 plus 9 is 13. Now, I'm not done because I still have to get rid of 3. To get rid of 3, I have to undo division because d over 3, that's the same as d divided by 3. So to undo division, I will multiply both sides by 3. So 3 over 3, that's just 1. And then I still have d on the left side. And then on the right side, I have 13 times 3, which is equal to 39. So d equals 39. So that's the answer. That's the value of d that will make the equal sign true. Okay, so that's how you solve two-step equations. There will be 2 operations that you would have to undo. So if you have multiplication and addition, you always undo the addition first and then move on to undoing the multiplication. All right, I hope you find this video helpful.